Today I'll be showing you how to make an origami ghost. First, you have to get a square sheet of paper. I just got a rectangle and just cut it. So now you got your square. It's good that you have if you just have ordinary origami paper, you have to make a crease in the like a valley fold, so you can get that line. Now you gotta take one side, fold it to the center line, like that. Then do the same on the other side. Alright, now turn it over like that. Make sure you got good creases. Get this side and go to the center line. And do the same on the other side. Now that you got that, here comes the complicated part. I will zoom in. Alright, take this, open it, go to where this, I will draw a line. Please hold. Alright, so see this line right there? Get it up and push it till it's the end of the line. You see? And then push like this until the middle. It may be hard to get it, but you'll get the hang of it if you practice. This may be a very complicated model if you're a beginner or you're starting origami and you get it like this. Now do the same on the other side, and I'll draw the line again. Right, so open it and do that till you get to the line. Push until you get to the line and then fold it to the middle. Like that. You should get something that looks like this. Right? Now that you got that, turn it over to the back. Then fold this edge to the middle line. And do the same on the other side. Now you got that. Now turn it over. And now you can see the form of the ghost. Now push these little flaps that you see here down to make the little arms. Push them down. You can push them as far down as you want. Now here is where you can do whatever size you want. For me, okay, so you see this big flap up here? Fold it down to wherever you want. Alright, now there will be a line right about there. Fold on that line, that crease. Alright, and then you can just fold again wherever you want, like so. And you made a ghost. Thanks for watching.